Monday, May 14th, day 52. I don't speak French well, but it sounds like the Montreal ladies are leaving after today, sometime tomorrow when we walk into Montebello. And they're headed back to Montreal. I will miss them. We've been hiking up this trail since Damascus, where I just happened to meet them in the outfitter store there. They were a great help in the last 2 days when I was clearly suffering in the afternoon sweltering heat, and they inspired me and egged me on, and it was a good morale boost. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do now. Of course, I didn't know what I was going to do from the beginning, so I'm just going to figure it out day by day. And I'm still thinking, aiming for a Waynesboro, which is just a couple days up the trail. Maybe 3 more days, 3 or 4. Big town, hotels, outfitters, grocery stores, hang out. Still need that 0. Been 52 days, right? All right. Well, right now we're starting off walking along this creek, but any minute now we begin about a 3-mile long climb, and there's no water, so you have to carry a bunch of water up this hill. And the water weighs a little bit, but you gotta have it, especially as the day warms up. Fortunately, we'll get this climb done while it's still cool. Although I heard that there might be a chance of rain today. Frankly, I welcome it. All right then, we'll see what's up the trail.